In this video, I want to show you how the scan to mobile feature of your Brother MFC-L2820DW or similar printer is working. So what I mean by this is you will be able to scan a document. It will give you a QR code on the screen with any smartphone. Even if you don't have any apps installed, you can scan that QR code and download the results automatically on your device. So let me show you how this is working. So for the first step, we simply need to insert a document over here or on the top document feeder. Let's say I have this document of 3 different pages. I'll insert it here facing up. On the display of the printer, we need to navigate using this arrow from the main menu screen until you see Apps. Click on Apps, go down and select Scan to Mobile. Then select in which format you'll like this file to be. So you have many of them. I'll choose PDF. Now we have a few settings that you can look around and see if it matches the project you're trying to scan. Over here we have pin code. You can leave it yes, or you can switch it to no. So anyone with the link will be able to download the file without any pin code. It's up to you if it's a secure file or not. Once you're done, press OK. Make sure the documents are inserted and press OK. The scan will begin, and right after it will create that link. So let's be patient. It's now uploading the results on their server. And finally, it will give you this QR code that you need to scan with your smartphone. The link where this is going is at the end of this message. It's quite long. This is why it's better to scan it. And as you see here, I have a pin code that I have to enter. So let's do this. On your iPhone, simply open the camera app, point it to the QR code and press the yellow link. It will bring me to this page while I have to tap over there and enter the pin code that is on the screen, 2110. 2110, press download, and here we go. Whatever I just scanned will appear in front of me. Now what you see here will expire in 12 hours. It will not stay on the internet forever. So once you're over here, if you want to download the results, this icon, you'll be able to share it on social media with your favorite contacts on certain apps over here. If you go down, you'll have more options. If you go down completely, you will also have save to files, which means that the results will be saved on your smartphone or on your computer. So this is about it. Once you're done over here, you can press OK, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.